I want to take our viewers once again through the latest breaking that we're getting to you right now. 12:46, just before 1 p.m. is when this blast took place. We now know that the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Siddaramaiah, who's in touch with all of the agencies that are on site at the Whitefield Rameshwaram Cafe, very, very popular eating hotspot on Bengaluru's Whitefield suburb, has confirmed that this was a bomb blast. 9 people have been injured. Thankfully, no fatalities, no serious injuries also. But we are first here in India today to tell you that the Chief Minister, no less than the Chief Minister, speaking to journalists in Mysuru, has just confirmed, according to him, that this is a bomb blast. So it has become clear now that the direction of this investigation is going to be very, very different. This is not going to be an accident investigation. This is going to be an investigation based on a confirmation that this was a bomb blast. It is not a heavy explosive. Here's the statement from Mr. Siddaramaiah. It's not a heavy explosive, but was improvised. Police are at the spot. No victim is critical, but they are injured. CCTV are being seen. We have seen a guy keeping a bag there. Don't know who's done it. Police said they need time to confirm what kind of explosion. The cashier is being questioned. The accused took a token from the cash counter and kept the bag there. The Home Minister will be reaching the spot too. Very, very important, very, very crucial statement here from Mr. Siddaramaiah, who says that one man has been identified, not identified at least, seen in the CCTV footage keeping some kind of a bag near the cashier. CCTV images are saying that. He also says that the explosive device was not an intensive, it was not a high intensity explosive. That's the reason why nobody lost their lives. It was some kind of a low intensity blast, but he says it was improvised. That confirms from the Chief Minister's statement that this was an IED attack, some kind of an IED attack. The motive is not known just yet. The police are at the spot. No victim is critical, but 9 people are confirmed to be injured. Let me read out once again what the Chief Minister has said. CCTV footage is being studied at this point of time. Mr. Siddaramaiah says that the police and security agencies have seen a man, a guy keeping a bag there. They don't know yet what his identity is. They don't know who has done it. But the police say that they need time to confirm what kind of explosion it was. The cashier is being questioned at the Rameshwaram Cafe. The accused apparently took a token from the cash counter and kept the bag there. The Home Minister will be reaching the spot too. Viewer, the implications of this statement from the Karnataka Chief Minister is absolutely enormous, because this confirms foul play, the intention to either kill or maim, which has turned out to be half successful as well. Sagai, coming to you now. This statement could not be clearer. The Chief Minister putting out into the public domain on the record, confirming that this was an improvised explosive device that was used. A man was seen carrying a bag and keeping it in the restaurant. He's been witnessed on CCTV, but nothing more is being known just now. Sagai? Okay, Sagai can't hear me. We'll reconnect with him in just a moment. I'm also going to ask for our other reporters, including Nagarjun and Anaga, to plug into our coverage, because this is something that, this is Bengaluru, India's tech hub. Whitefield, big upscale suburb. Rameshwaram Cafe, one of the most popular restaurants over there. A blast has taken place, and the Chief Minister of Karnataka has confirmed that this was an improvised explosive device. He's basically said it was low intensity, but it was improvised. Take a look at what Siddaramaiah's deputy, D.K. Shivakumar, has just said.
ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ವೈರಿಗಳ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾರೇ ಆದರೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿದೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ 2-3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕಾಚಾರ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಆತಂಕ ಪಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಕಾನೂನು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ನಾವು ಬಹಳ ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕೆಲವರು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಅವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ಸು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ ಮೂಲ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 9 ಜನ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾದಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಿಂದ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗಿನ್ನೂ ಏನು ಕೂಡ. ನಾನು ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಥ ವಿಚಾರಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ.